Hi, I am Vijay, and this is my video blog series. I know that 3D printing is going through a transformation. I'm going to interview some of our key leaders inside 3D systems and external stakeholders to really understand and learn how this industry is evolving. Please join me to understand the insights about this extraordinary transformation. Hi Kevin, how are you?
Good, Vijay.
So Kevin, I know this whole direct metal printing. What does that do for engineers?
Yeah. So with direct metal printing, you can print really high quality metal parts with high levels of design freedom. So engineers can create designs and print things that were unmanufacturable years ago. The other interesting thing about direct metal printing is that you can print with traditional metal alloys. So unlike our plastics technologies where we print with different materials that engineers are used to, here we print with standard steels, titaniums, other alloys, and so the fact that you can print with traditional materials and make very high quality parts with high levels of design freedom opens up tremendous opportunities in manufacturing.
And there is a talk about customization, and I know you always told me there is more to this than customization. Tell me more.
Yeah, sure there is. So customization is exciting. There's no question about that. So there are applications such as dental, where each part inherently is different. And 3D printing makes great sense because it enables mass customization.
Oh, that's great. So, I think there are a lot of metal 3D printing companies, but so what's 3D systems differentiation?
Yeah. Well, first of all, we have some great printers, and our printers make very high quality parts, resolution, surface finish, mechanical properties, because we have some great features in our products. Great atmosphere control, very robust parameters, other things that make them different than our competitors' printers. But above and beyond that, we have internal expertise that differentiates us. For example, we have two facilities, one in Europe, one in the United States, that are ISO certified facilities that allow us to manufacture medical devices. We manufacture medical devices for customers there. And that does two things for us. One is that it ensures that we are experts in our customers' applications. It also provides those customers with a low risk, low cost way to get into 3D printing, explore it, and deploy it initially on a service basis, and then over time migrate to an in-house model with all the support and expertise we can provide. So, that positions us as a true solutions provider in this industry, and it's really what differentiates us from our competitors.
Great. Hey, thank you so much, Kevin.
Thanks, Vijay.
Thanks again.